And here's an update for you. The woman involved in 2 fatal crashes in 3 weeks remains in jail tonight after her initial court appearance for reckless homicide. Kelli Anderson told the judge she cannot afford bail. She's not allowed to drive if she does get out before her trial. Rich and I was in the courtroom today and shows us that Anderson is allegedly at fault in at least 7 crashes across the city in less than 3 years.
Denise Gatling wanted to be in court for her daughter, Kiana Burns. Gatling cannot understand how Kelli Anderson still had a driver's license when she started an 8-car crash at 52nd and Keystone on June 9th that killed Burns, a mother of 4 children. Just 3 weeks before, Anderson's car jumped a curb at 49th and Meridian, hitting and killing Dr. Brian Dillman as he jogged on the sidewalk. Investigators found Anderson at fault in 5 more crashes in Marion County in just the past 3 years.
Driving is a privilege. It's not a right. If you're abusing that privilege and you're not doing what you need to do to be a responsible driver on the road, and you're not taking other drivers' safety into consideration, you shouldn't have that right.
The string of crashes started in August 2019 when Anderson flipped her car in a ditch at 65th and Meridian. She told police she is epileptic and possibly had a seizure because she did not know what happened. February 2020, Anderson allegedly ran a stop sign at 79th and Dean Road, hitting another car. March 2021, Anderson ran into the back of another moving car on Fall Creek Parkway near the Indiana State Fair entrance. A crash report from September 2nd, 2021 says Anderson was driving south on Allisonville Road when she hit another car from behind. The car in front spun out and Anderson went off the road and hit this fire hydrant. When police arrived, she told the officer she didn't know she was in an accident. May 2nd this year, Anderson veered off Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Street and struck a light pole. Police never ticketed Anderson for a traffic violation in any of those previous non-fatal crashes.
Thanks to Rich there. Kelli Anderson is not charged in the crash that killed Dr. Brian Dillman, but investigators say that she was told by doctors after that crash that she was a high risk to herself and others and should not drive for 6 months until cleared by a neurologist. Now that led to criminal charges in the most recent fatal crash.